Self-love is very important, but spreading love is also important. Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Dhani Yoga in birth chart. I already make 2-3 videos on Dhani Yoga, but on your demand I'm making video with some description about Dhani Yoga. First of all, I'm talking about the houses which is linked with finance and savings and earning. Second house is a house of your saving, your jewelry, your gold, silver, and your bank balance. Second house is a house of all around saving. 11th house is a house of your multiple savings, your source of earning, from where you get money, from where you earn money, which type of, 10th house is a house of your karma, like your businessman, your job, and from where you get the money, that is a 10th house. But profit house is your 11th house. Fifth house is a Lakshmi Sthan. It is also a house of stock market. Fifth house is also a house of unexpected gains. 11th house is also a house of unexpected gains. If any native have these type of combination, like second lord is in fifth house or fifth lord is in second house, a native will earn a lot of money from stock market, from business, from trading, any type of trading, any type of business, and that native may become a hero, may become an artist, may become an actor or actress in Bollywood or Hollywood or TV. You can say in TV they become a very good name and fame in television. Fifth house is also a house of entertainment. Fifth house is also a house of sports, creativity, your creative mind. You know what you want to do new in your life, your creative mind, your skills. This is the fifth house. If second lord is in fifth house and fifth lord is in second house, a native will earn a lot of money, bundles of money from sports, from entertainment industry, from our creativity. Like I am making a video, it is also creating my creativity. I'm speaking in front of you, it is my creativity, because in my birth chart my second house and my fifth house is active, so that's why I'm making videos. It's simple. Even if second lord is in 11th house or 11th lord is in second house, it will create a Dhani Yoga. A native will get lot of money, immense bundles of money a person will earn during that Mahadasha. And if you have a Mahadasha of second lord, fifth lord, or planet placed in your 11th house, you have any type of Mahadasha, you will earn lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. People will salute you because you are very established person. You become a million trillionaire. Your all desires will be fulfilled. Your all wishes will be fulfilled. Your friends will support you. Your family will support you. Your siblings will support you. And if second lord is in your 11th house, this is shows like I give you one example. If you earn 5 lakh rupees per month, 4 lakh rupees you are saving every month and 1 lakh rupees you are spending. If your second lord is in 12th house, for example, if your 11th lord is in 12th house, you earn 5 lakh and your expenditure is on 6 lakh. You never save your money. So second lord play a big role in your birth chart. If second lord is in 11th house, if second lord is in 5th house, if fifth lord in second house, if fifth lord is in 11th house, this is create a Dhani Yoga. And fourth house is also very important part play in Raj Yoga or Dhani Yoga, because it's a house of your mental peace and your hidden savings. If your fourth lord placed in your 11th house, you will have bundles of money during that Mahadasha. Second house, fifth house, fourth house, and 11th house play a major role for unexpected money. Your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. Whatever you want to earn in your life, you will achieve all type of milestones and goal due to your creativity. If your fifth house is active, second house, fifth house, and 11th house, if active in your birth chart, you will be rise a lot through your skills, through your creativity, through your speech, through your you can say ki people are very get attract from your way of talking if second house is active. People wants to listen you. You have a large circle of community because 11th house is also active in your birth chart. If fifth lord is in 11th house, you are very educated. You may don't have any certificate from any university, but you have a lot of internal knowledge. You are very spiritual, you are very God fearing, and you always do good karma and good deeds with others. If fifth lord is in 11th house, a native will earn lot of money from stock market. A native will earn money in speculations, investments in stock market. Smart money will knock you. Like, I saw a lot of people whole life they are doing hard work, but nothing they get, nothing they get. But if fifth lord is in 11th house, second lord is in 11th house, fourth lord is in 11th house, and you have any mahadasha of second lord, fifth lord which is placed in 11th house, a native will get lot of finance in small efforts. Your small efforts will give you bundles of money, because 11th house is a house of materialistic gains. In 11th house, no planet is debilitated, no planet is exalted. If any planet is in 11th house, it's a very big thing for any horoscope, because it is a house of growth, expansion. 11th house is a house of all type of wishes, fulfillment of desires. And if second lord plays in 11th house, you have a big family. You are a elder son in your family, and you are trying to help your every sibling, every chacha taya sibling, every your cousins, because you are elder, and you are always helpful to others because your second lord is in 11th house. This is one of the ultimate placement for relationship with your cousins, for relationship with your siblings, for relationship with your families. Like, you can say, if second lord is in 11th house, a native is like a father in our family. Second lord play a big role in birth chart, and those native who have a second lord is in 11th house, fifth lord is in 11th house, fourth lord is in 11th house, they will earn lot of fame, prosperity, respect, honor, and they may become a very good politician. They may earn lot of money, finances, and cash flow always make them happy, because savings will rise every day. With each passing day, they earn a lot of money during that mahadasha of that planet. If second lord plays in 11th, fifth lord plays in 11th, or you have a mahadasha of a second lord or fifth lord, which planet plays in 11th house, you will get bundles of money, you will get lot of respect, you will get lot of friends, your social circle will widen, and you will rise a lot in your life. So guys, you need to know which planet plays in your 11th house. Is your second house or fifth house or fourth house lord plays in your 11th house? If you have, then you are very fortunate man. And if you have a mahadasha of that planet which is placed in 11th house, being a lord of your second and fifth, believe me, you will fulfill your all dreams and desires. Keep watching my videos, keep watching my channel. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.